morning, everybody. This is amazing to see. So we started our drone program in 2017-ish. There was a handful of people around a conference table talking about, how do we start a drone program? What do we need to do? How do we create training? How do we create a community around this new and emerging technology? So to go from that, a bunch of people around a small common group to here today is pretty amazing.
Anything you do for work, whether you're getting paid or not, requires that you be licensed to operate that drone. So it's important to remember that. And I always try to tell people, if it's not pure fun, then you have to be licensed and you have to meet all the rules and requirements, remote IP and all the other stuff that goes along with that.
Also, thanks to Ken Stewart and team from NUAIR. If you're working in the UAS space, you really got to get to know the team at NUAIR. These folks are experts. We're so lucky to have them in our backyard.